Hello everyone. Sorry, my microphone is still up. There we go. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream for today. We are going to actually look at another little game, another indie game, and it looks amazing. I played the first like 5-10 minutes of the game, just to make sure everything works before stream. But yeah, let's start the game. Very excited about this one. I have been following this for a little while, not that long actually, but it looks really good, so let's just jump right in. Disclaimer, I got the key from the developers, but please check out the game on Steam. It's called Anvil Saga. Please check it out. I'm actually going to take a look at the page myself. Come on. Anvil Saga. Yeah, it is planned release date somewhere in 2021. Yeah, and just add it to your wish list and follow it. Yeah, couldn't say any more. It's like an RPG shopkeep kind of thing. It's really hard to explain, but let's just jump into it and we will see how we could define it later on. So let's just start the game. Story mode, sandbox mode, I think you unlock later. I can't! I never become a master like you. Listen, when your mother and I came to France, we didn't have a single penny to on us. Nothing but a fire in the eyes and my old instruments. Really? Not a single penny? Not better than a couple of thalers, to be sure. This is Arthur, the hero of our story, and your main character. Since childhood he's been helping his father in the forge, but he's pretty good in any kind of craft. Okay, so we have controls to move the camera, scroll wheel to zoom in and out, of course. Arthur, my son! Make some ingots at the smelter. We have a lot of work today. You need some ingots. Ingots are... yeah. So we right click on the forge to make some ingots. We need 3, like it says over here. Okay. 1 piece of ore is usually good for 1 ingot. The smith will smelt ingots one after another until they run out of ore. Excellent work, son. Go flip the sign, we are open. Okay, let's open. Okay, left click on the sign to start accepting orders. Okay, we did that. Take the order. I will see how you do. Don't worry, you will do fine. Your first customer. Take a look at the order window. There you will find the item, the resource needed for the creation and the reward. So where is that? Oh, there we go. It just shows up. Let's accept the order. People won't wait forever. Yeah. Right click to move to the anvil. Well done, son. Look, it's Finley. His whole family comes to the fair every year. The young lady next to him is his daughter, Olivia. Is it the merchant from Gascony? Yes, judging by the look on his face, he's happy with my forging. Oscar, you are here too? How are you faring? Thanks for the instruments and the harness. It was also perfect. Glad to see you at the fair. What brings you here, Finley? I'd like to order a small trinket, a brooch for my beloved daughter. Do you do this for me, would you? Okay, yeah. You have to make a choice that will affect the event's current story. You will see one of them now. Each option has a chance of success or failure. Study them carefully, you won't be able to go back on your choice. Okay, the merchant ordered a brooch for his daughter. My father bought a jewel from Baron's ring with him. I could probably use it. So use a fake jewel. It gives basic success chances 40, with my skill level and equipment, brings it to 50. A little trick will come in handy. I won't have to face the Baron's anger while adding something little extra to the bush may please Olivia and her father. Olivia can show that this is a fake. It will be awkward. Use the jewel. The jewel belongs to the Baron. He isn't a Baron, he is a merchant, right? So Olivia will still notice me. And this is like... This is... So you use fake. That is, if you want to rip them off. This is... Oh, you guys can't see... It's like a frozen screen. What? Oh, window capture. And... Oh, that doesn't really work. Sorry guys for not showing you. Then I would just do display capture. There we go. That's really weird that he doesn't capture it. Okay, so this is the game. I'm sorry guys. I will show you the rest in a moment. So we have a choice between using the jewel. So that's a very good option, but the jewel belongs to the Baron. So do we want to make the Baron angry if he comes later on? That's the choice you want to make. Use a fake jewel, she won't like that. I'm just going to make a simple brooch, because that is what they ask for. My father will be proud that 70% success. Okay, so this is the place. We have popularity, money, golden coins, wood, ingots, and ore. So we have our little forge to make some ingots, and we have our anvil to start crafting. So let's make the empty brooch. Okay. Ooh, there's the Baron. I think. Yes. Hello, Max, we're still working hard. Yes, more or less. My son is helping me out. He's even much better than me at some things now. Ah, he really looks like you. Now then, will you make me a ring? Yes, and this is where the decisions come in. Because we can use the fake ring. This is not translated yet. So I have to say this is alpha stage still, so there are maybe some bugs. Some things that haven't been translated. I assume you get more money, something like that. Father will be very angry. I will be in so much trouble. Make a jewel encrusted for the Baron. The Baron will be happy. Tell the Baron that you've lost the jewel. Well, let's not do that. Let's just use the jewel that we got for this purpose. Really ready? Hang on a minute, what have you done here? Some kind of gem? Looks like they messed up because it's none of the boy's fault. What could he do? Sorry for that, but you know, the gem is really cloudy. You're the one who is cloudy. I paid so much for it. Now I've got to sort this out. To hell with you. At least he left without a fight. He could have done something far worse. Looks like it's time for us to head home. Close the store. Closing the store tells your customers that no new orders are being accepted. For those who are waiting for their order will stay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Father, what do you think about me and Olivia? Can we be friends? We are just not their equals, son, but... In a merchant's family, a groom is judged by how fat his purse is. Cheer up, everything is in your hands. My father's words were to no surprise to me. Inequality is both the scourge and the foundation of our society. However, the sincere smile and charming eyes of the merchant daughter made my heart ache. The fair was coming to an end, so we gathered our belongings and set off home. It was the last fair. I got to visit with my father. He deceased. The disease hit him hard, but even to his last breath, he did his best to transfer his knowledge and skills to me, even when he could barely hold a hammer in his trembling hands. I had no choice but to make my father proud and become a decent apprentice. You have a small house and a forge at your disposal. It's not much, but it's better than starting from scratch. Okay, so we have a little stove over here, we have a little house. Is that a forge? No, that's the forge. Merchants, a chicken, we have a chicken. What is all of this? Let's see. Relation with England. France, bandits, holy, and witches. Ooh, factions. Oh, perfection skill tree. Oh, we can't do that yet. It's summer. Number of days passed. Current and maximum number of workers. That's cool. This is where your road to glory, wealth, and heart of beloved girls begin. But all this lies far ahead, and for now, kindle the forge. Okay, so kindle the forge should be over there. There we go. Let's smelt this ore into ingots first before we start helping customers. You can't fire this character, okay. There we go. Let's open a shop. So we are in France. I will turn the money after the harvest, okay? He wants chains. Okay. She also wants chains. Oh, smithing skill level, nice. There we go. Okay. Save the game. Why is that gray? Don't know. Maybe this is still the tutorial. Sure. Let's start making some nails. Your character received a new trait. Characters can receive negative and positive traits. Each affected character's behavior in a specific way. Carefully read the trait description and pick the best assignment for each worker. Okay, so this worker used to be a fencer, so he knows well to make deadly weapons. There is a 25% chance that the knights that order weapons from him will agree to pay double the price. Ooh, that's amazing. And this is our mentor. This worker smells profitable orders a mile away. Those orders will be framed in gold. It's an old man. What do you want? A lock. Yes, sure. I don't have much iron anymore though. I'm running out of it. Make more at the smelter. Send out to the smelter by right click on it. Yeah. But I don't have any. Oh. Come on. Time to dig a shaft. Sooner or later you will start to expand your forts, building more rooms and even dig deep into the earth. Each fort needs a constant supply of ore. You can purchase it from a trader, but it's more efficient to mine it yourself. Let's dig a shaft right to our cellar. Okay, construction is Q for construction. That makes a lot of sense. Choose a room type. Okay, this is bed. This is kitchen. Okay, you can change stuff. Build a room. Okay, so build a room over here. Roof type. Well, select. Okay, each room's constructed takes some time. You have to wait for the builder to finish their work. Okay. Oh, let me close the door. Oh, that's the builder. Oh, by the way, the spin is open, guys. Don't forget to hit that spin and come right back. For the Binks group. Okay. So we can hire people. We still can't save the game. That's something I don't really like. Because, well, I like saving my games. How long does it take building a room? Excellent. Now choose the type of new room. Okay. What do we want? Living room, kitchen, storage, mine, training. Okay, mine. What do we need? Can we see that? A basement crate. Okay. Well. Beds. Chairs, table. Would this suffice as crate? Yes, and a basement. Well, a basement allows your workers to pick. Okay. Okay, let's stop mining. Okay, so your workers at the low level, the worker will work slow, produce defective items, and can be increased with sleeping. Okay. The worker's satiation at a low level can be raised by eating food in the kitchen. Okay, so we have 2 and we need 10 total. Okay, so we need to let him mine a little bit till he gets us 10 ore. Oh, and 2 times it already got us 5, so it's random, I presume, then between like a certain amount and a certain amount. Okay, 1 more trip and that should be it. So we have mining, fighting, I think wood chopping, but that's a new version, and smithing. Ooh, a dangerous forest fire was spotted nearby. Effect: price of wood is higher, order prices are higher, hunters come less. Oh, that's very interesting. It has events that influence who is coming. Oh, we have speed up. Oh, wait, you don't have to. You can do a sleepy. Oh no, you can forge. You forge. Do we still have some energy left? That's very interesting. We can speed this up. Okay, so we got those ingots. So let's sleep. Keep an eye on. Send your worker to sleep. Yeah. Okay, what else can we make? Build a room. Oh, that costs 100. New furniture. Okay, cool. Oh, is this a merchant? Yeah, it is. So you can buy supplies, weapons, books for workers. Oh, we need more bookshelves for that. Okay. Very interesting game. I'm really enjoying it so far. It has very cool concepts, and I always like management games. So this is right up my alley. And medieval. Like, what else do you want? Okay, there we go. Let's open the shop. Sure. Oh, it's hard work is for to learn. The village chief has sent you 3 young men to become young apprentices. This young man is new to the village. He became... my name is Terrace, sorry. Master blacksmith. Monty is a local trickster and rascal. He tries to look like a nobleman in everything he does. Hi, my name is Monty, sir. I wanted to become your apprentice for ages, if you will have me. And this is Stone, winning the fights and wrestling contests in the village. Okay, so terrorists. Ooh. Okay, so we have Terrace. Terrace is from the south of France. His parents are friends, and no surprise that they sympathize with his fellow countrymen. But he follows my lead. I'm his master after all. So England will go down with 10, up 5. So okay. Well, we live in France, so I would say my alliance would lie with France most. Then we have Monty. I've heard that Monty is a bit of a shady character, quite at times, but no one has ever caught him stealing. However, word of his cunning has spread far and wide, so he can be very useful. -10, plus 15. I don't like shady fellows. I'm an honorable gentleman. People don't have much to say about Stone. He's not one of words either, but has countlessly proven his craftsmanship and boasts the strength of 5 men. Well, I'm going with Terrace. Thank you. Now he will be in the room. Keep an eye on the level of his fatigue and pay his salary on time. Your apprentice will improve all his skills, but the hammers and the anvils are his passion. And now let's get to it, except to with Terrace's help. All of you just pray in the honest people, no matter what you call yourself. Yes. Okay. Yes. Start making. Where Terrace? The mood drops. Okay. Okay, so Arthur, I want you to stop mining. Terrace, I want you to do this. Send Terrace smith the ore. Okay, Terrace, you're gonna be outside. Oh, he is already smithing level 2. Damn, he's better than I am. Okay, Terrace, you stop making that. Well, I'm getting more ore. Work and movement speed slow is quite a lot for carrying. And pacifist to work refuse. Okay. Oh, he refused orders for knights and soldiers. Really? Terrace. Please. Can I get a loan? I will return a few more coins. How many? Sure. Sure. Come on. Come on, start crafting, Terrace. Hello. Come on. What? Come on. Oh, he's a pacifist. Great. Terrace. You're an idiot. Like, for real. But he can't. What the hell? Well, oh, let's close the shop. What? And now it says everybody that was waiting would still do their job. And what is he still crafting? Okay, I have no clue. Okay, Terrace, I want you to stop mining. Arthur, I want you to take a bite. We need to stock up on ore before we start. Oh, and we need to build a new room for him. 100 roof type. Wow. Sure. Because we need a room for terrace. You stop mining as well. We need more ore. Okay, terrace, you are being an idiot. Oh, only one can? That sucks. Come on, Arthur, go in. Okay. I want this to be... What do we need for that? Bed, table, chair. Okay. No. Where's the furniture option? Here, buy new furniture. Oh. Okay, we don't have the money for that, so... Terrace is sleeping. Buy some cooking oh, we need to buy some cooking supplies as well. Yeah, let's buy that. And let's continue. Yeah, I know. Oh. Okay, terrace, eat. Oh, you, terrace, can smelt. I want to at least get 20 ingots already. Oh, you eat on your own? Good, okay. Oh, he didn't eat, he only made food. Okay. A religious feast is being celebrated in a prices of food are higher. Order prices are higher. Monks come more often. Oh, that's actually really good. You start. No, you start smelting. You start doing that. That's really good because terrorists doesn't like soldiers, right? So we want to keep that going. Oh, he has chance, so he is actually good for mining. Terrace, there is ore. What? What is that sign? What now? You're just okay. Oh, there wasn't room anymore. Okay, so open the shop. Eat first. Eat first. Holy crap! What is that? Arthur, go do this. You, I've never seen this merchant in a village before. Well, sure. But oh no, it's all going wrong. Oh no. Okay, Terrace, I want you on the smithy. R2. Nope. What are you making? No. Check. No, Archer. No, Terrace, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Why are you... What the hell is going on? Like, I want to do... Okay, we have literally no more. What the hell was that? Archer, you need to go back into the mine. Apparently not, you need to sleep. Terrace, go in the mine. What was that about? It didn't make the... It just started making random shit and... Yeah, we got money for it, but still. Oh, he got night owl. This work prefers to work at night over a period of midnight till dawn. There is a miss of every order that he starts the work of being 50% complete. Damn. Okay, Arthur, I want you to do that. Terrace, you can sleep. It's actually a very cool game if I knew how the crafting system worked, like the orders. Because the people come in way too fast for me to do that stuff. Oh, is this chest full? What? Why does it bring it? Does he bring it upstairs? Yeah, order prices are lower. Okay. Okay. Driven by nature's fair, refugees from nearby villages have arrived. They loiter around, but beg a coin. Yeah, let's friends. There we go. Okay. Oh, Arthur, go in there. You, Terrace, go Smith. What do you want? So, we received a report that you wanted to work for the glory of the crown. Here's the list of the wares we need. 5 chain, 10 boxes of nail, and 5 horseshoes. Okay. Chain. Thank you. Then we want 3 nails. It is required for manufacturing the reward is 0 coin. Okay, but why are you making? First event you pay 50 is a land tax. What is it? Yes. Why isn't he making stuff? Okay. Can't make 10 books of nails. Oh sure, but oh, we need smithing again. Okay, makes sense. Okay. How is Arthur doing? He is very hungry. Oh, he's mine level 2. That's nice. Okay, so let's start making 3 of these. We need more, but we can't make it. Okay. Open a shop. Oh, nope. Close the shop. Whoops. We don't have any ingots anymore. Arthur, you are eating, hopefully? Yes, there we go. You should also eat something, Terrace, before we let people in. Arthur, go. We'll go first, go to sleep, and then there we go. Cook. I need. There we go. Okay, let's start to open the shop. I'll give you a bear skin. Okay, Arthur, you need to do these too. Why is he making stuff that doesn't matter again? Oh, that was the full version already, guys. Damn. It was so much fun. I didn't know it was that short. I thought it would be a little bit longer. But yeah, this was my first look at this game. I want to thank you all for watching. It was a very little, but very good game. For now. That's also why you weren't able to save, because it's 45 minutes. So we will be switching over to another game, but for that to do that I will end my stream for a second, just the reason so I can upload the VOD to my YouTube channel as well, just to make to get that going as well. So yeah, let's do that. I will just take my break offline, so that will be like 15-20 minutes, and then I will be back. I don't know what yet, so I will be taking a look at that, in between. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back in like 20 minutes. Thank you, developers of Anvil Saga, for this really niche little game that I'm going to check out when the next update hits again. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later in a moment.